So just to show you what I mean, I have got a project where I've got instructions about how to build microservices. And the use case I want is to be able to pass any image, one of three formats, AVIF, PNG, or JPEG, and have it returned in any one of those formats, but sized to the width that I'd want, with the compression that I want, so that the images are optimized. Literally just written all of this, and I paste it in. And what you get is code, which you can literally copy and paste into Google Cloud, and it'll do this job for you. I've got exactly this code running in my Google Cloud, and it works. It's pretty bulletproof. But the reason why I'm showing you this, I really think this is a GPT superpower. We can now very quickly create microservices, and this works when the outcome you need from the program is very clear, very defined, very contained. In the future, these things will be able to run and write big systems, I'm sure. But for us in small businesses, we've always wanted to have programs that will do simple things. And this would have been something that would have involved a programmer, involved specifications and so on. There are a lot of perceptual barriers to going down this way of solving business problems. And the real reason why you'd want to do it this way is because it'll save you money. I am not paying upfront on a monthly basis for credits. I am using it on demand as and when I need to, which may be a lot or maybe very, very little. And I'm getting the job done at the cost of thousands of a penny. So literally 0.00001p. I don't even know how you pay that. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this way of solving problems is now within your grasp, and it should be something we should start adopting more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.